Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, March 10th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledge to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
As your kindness ambassador, I will be going to announce our friendly Falcons. Our friendly Falcon today is Jaden Jeong in Miss Cunningham's room. He was nominated by Cameron Johnson because he helps Cameron with his work. Thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
Woo! Here's Miss Hossbach with an important announcement about Camp Invention.
Hello, I'm here to pitch Camp Invention to you again. If you are excited for summer and you like fun, you need to sign up for Camp Invention at Indian Creek Elementary School. It is shortly after school is over. It is a week filled with fun-filled inventions and adventure. You're going to get to look inside this microphone, and even at the end you get to keep it. So there's lots of options. You can pitch your great idea, you can record your awesome thoughts on it, and you can even do a little karaoke. Are you ready, Miss Thompson? Do you want to step on in? Show us how it's done? Oh yeah, hold on, let me put the remix on.
Is it pressing? Okay.
Oh.
Big wheels keep on turning, proud and keep on burning, rolling on a river. That's all I can do for copyright.
That was excellent. Sign up for Camp Invention today.
Thank you. This month is Women's History Month. Today we'll be honoring Kamala Harris. Vice President Kamala Harris was born on October 20th, 1964 in Oakland, California. She graduated from Harvard University and the University of California Law School. She began her career as the District Attorney of San Francisco and then the Attorney of California. In 2017, Vice President Harris became the Senator for California. In 2020, she was elected as the first female, first African American, and first Asian American Vice President of the United States.
Wow.
Cool.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be windy with a high of 78 and a low of 64.
Happy birthday to Jalen Santos. Happy
birthday! Today in history, in 1876, Alexander Graham Bell makes the first telephone call to Thomas Watson.
Cool.
Today is National Pack Your Lunch Day. This day encourages everyone across the U.S. to take their lunch to school or work.
Mm.
In the headlines, amazing bubble wrap artist creates masterpieces by injecting paint into each bubble.
Mm.
A New York artist decided to create some fascinating art by using bubble wrap. He is a self-proclaimed injectionist, since he injects paint into each bubble to make art. This artist found a useful way of recycling bubble wrap.
Wow.
Cool.
Here's Max with our joke of the day.
Now for the joke of the day. Joseph and Matthew, why shouldn't you iron 4-leaf clovers?
I don't know.
You might press your luck.
Thanks, Max.
You're welcome.
Today's fun fact is the strongest muscle in your body is the tongue.
What?
Wow.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Joseph.
And I'm Matthew.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.